Now in this episode I'll be doing from RiffRaff. These are plenums that go underneath the pipes in the valley. Alright, so let's go ahead and strip all this stuff on top. The pipes, the harnesses, the spiders, remove all that stuff that's in the way. And go ahead and install the plenums. So now that we got the valley cleaned and the up pipe pretty much installed, now what I want to do is get the plenums off. Now this one's going to be easy, so I'm probably going to do this one first. And then this one is a little bit hard. There's one like over here somewhere, and then one right here. And that's going to be really hard to get to those two. The thing is, with the new plenum, one of them is eliminated. Let's go ahead and remove the easy one first, and then we're gonna deal with the one that able to remove all the bolts now except that one right there, and that's hitting the high pressure oil pump casing. And I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm probably gonna maybe cut it off with a saw, because on the plenums from RiffRaff, this corner is actually eliminated. I'm gonna probably go ahead and cut this guy off with a saw. I'm gonna go in just a little bit so it's cutting the thread, and there's nothing down lower, so you can go up and down. It's not gonna cut anything. I'm gonna make sure there's no wires in the way, and then I'm gonna put a little hose that I cut in half. I'm gonna put that on that really quick. All right, so here's my little hose protector right here, so if my saw gets all the way through, so it doesn't cut this guy right here. Let's go ahead and get this cut and see how it goes. No, all right, we got it. That was a lot faster.
Did it cut?
Yeah.
Where is it now?
Find it.
It's loose?
What are you doing, Papa?
Mama.
All right, guys, we finally got it. Now let's get this guy. Let's get this guy off.
gooey gooey.
Gooey gooey?
Yes.
Excuse me.
We finally got it.
Finally got it. Okay. And this one should slide off over here. And there we go. Yay.
Are you gonna leave it like that?
No. I'm gonna put a nicer one on there. Let's get all these bolts out of here.
I could get it with my magnet.
You can get it with your magnet thing? You're right. So much better, so much cleaner. So if there's going to be some kind of oil leak or whatever, I'll be able to see it right away. I installed the old plugs right here so I don't mess up the new ones. Obviously I'm going to be replacing this one because I'm doing this is the oil plug that goes from the high pressure oil pump. This is the crossover line plug, and this is just in here for the looks. So we're going to pop this off because we don't need this right now. And since I decided to remove the plenums, it was easier to mask it off, instead of masking off the plenums and trying to paint around them. The plenums, they can be mounted on either side, driver's side or passenger side. It doesn't really matter. They're both identical on both sides. The only difference is there's two different bolts on the passenger side that mount the bracket right here for the, what was it, for the harness or for something, the bracket over here. And then the O-ring, you don't want to move around this O-ring too much, and then when you put it down onto the heads, you want to be very careful because it can pop off on you. Put it from the bottom down first, like so, and then carefully watch it and try to lay it down slowly. And then now I'm going to hold it in place. And just keep holding the plenum down, because if you lift it off, it might, the gasket might slide out and you don't want to pinch it. And the driver's side is going to be a lot easier to do. So make sure, kind of tap the gasket in place. Make sure it's sitting where it should be. And then slowly kind of get the bottom down first, and then slowly tilt it over without any sudden movements. This one's a little bit tight, but okay. And we're gonna hand tighten these. And these are about probably 40 foot-pounds, not crazy tight, because they're not that big of a bolt. So there we have it. Plenums are done, valleys painted, cleaned. Pedestal installed. It looks a lot cleaner. I might even redo the Y harness wrap, this plastic stuff. I might redo all this to make it nice and new in here. All right, so pretty much the dirty part is done. Now it's the fun part, installing new shiny parts. Still have a few mods planned for her, so that's coming up. And all the links to the parts that I installed in the truck are down below. Go ahead and check them out. Hit up RiffRaff, one of the best parts for the 7.3s and other Fords as well. So yeah, if you need any parts for the 7.3, go check them out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.